Welcome! In front of me is a Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, let's, number one, navigate to our contacts list. So there we go, there's my contacts list. Once you open it up, you can sign in or not. By signing in, you'll have the option to also import your contacts to your Google account if you want to do that, and also it will automatically pull whatever account or contacts you already had on the Google account. But I'll skip this for now. So from here, you want to tap on these three little bars right at the top, navigate to settings, and right at the bottom you'll find import option. Select your SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts on your SIM card. By default, they will all be selected if they are not already on your phone. If they are, the contact will be deselected and grayed out, so you cannot import it once again. Obviously, you can deselect some contacts yourself if you want to, and from there click on import right at the top. You have two options: you can keep or remove the contacts from your SIM card. This is completely up to you. I probably would recommend keeping them, just because you can have both of those contacts. So right now it's showing me basically all of them from the SIM card and the device, but we can tap right here and, for instance, select to only show the device contacts. So there you go. This will only obviously show you the contacts that are on your phone, while still keeping the contacts on your SIM card in case something happens and you need to, for instance, reset your device, and well, in this case you won't lose all the contacts. And if you're planning to import them to your Google account, then to be honest, you don't need to worry at all, because that is going to be now accessible on any phone that is logged into the same account. But that being said, this is how you can import your contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.